Hey, how's it, everyone? All right, today we're gonna head out fishing again. We're gonna try to go to the same spot that we went last time to get bigger fish over there, yeah. But for today, we're gonna try different kind of fishing. I'll let Jordan explain that to you guys, cause he knows the best. Jordan.
Hey, how's it, everybody? How's it going? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then add some comments if you guys want. But anyway, let's get to it. So we got this first pole right here. This is Shakespeare Tiger, and it's made for today. We're gonna try to do bubble fishing with this bluish, light bluish kind of like a lure, how you call that, fake bait. And then we got this one, also a Shakespeare Tiger. We're gonna do that damashi, but so before we get to all that, so I want to say that for this bubble one right here and also this one right here, I want to shout out to one of our viewers who's also a subscriber that told us about this to try out, because it can catch the kind of papio and lice and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna try it out. And then for this one, the damashi, I want to shout out to my brother Jason. He said that to get this from Tokunaga, and he says only $1. And then but this one right here, this setup right here is $6, because I wanted to try out, see what's the difference between $6 and $1. So we're gonna try the $6 first, and then after that we're gonna try the $1 one. And then this one right here is I forget the name of this pole, but this one is also bubble, but you know, this pole is made for bigger fish, but it's okay. So we're gonna try them out and see if we can catch probably one ulua with this pole.
All right.
And the setup, yeah. And then we got this guy right here. This is Rasco.
Hey, Rascal, he came with us fishing the other time.
Yeah, he was wearing a shark fin, and then he was just cruising. Yeah, and then so over here in this setup, we got so I call this I will call it like a hobbit kind fishing pole from the Hobbit or Lord of the Rings. But this one right here is for straight down dunking. And as you can see, this other two, they have floaters on top, because if you notice, I lost 2 posts of this kind of size. But those ones were like $10 on sale, but the regular price was like $34, so it's crazy. But anyway, for my pole, I'm gonna go find some rope and tie the rope to the pole to the boat, so that way I don't lose it.
This one.
Oh, this one, my one. And
oh, okay.
I think hers one too, because she was saying that, you know,
okay,
she don't lose her pole. But yeah, so this is the one that we're gonna try to see we can try catch table boss, see if that, you know, can handle, because where we're going to get big kind one, like the one in the last video you guys saw, the big one I lost. But now we have wire. So
how many pounds?
20 pounds.
All right.
Yeah, and then yeah, just getting ready, you know. Yeah, so we see you out there. Don't forget, again, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right.
All right, we're at the ramp right now, getting ready to go out. Okay, we'll see you guys there. Shoot. Alright, we're here. The same place last time we came.
No, the line I had the hook ready. I just got it.
So we're going to try over here, see what we catch. We're going to use a little Toku Naga pole and try to use the bubbles. My daughter's still doing the bubbles right now. See what she can catch. Tava going to do his pole with bait. And Jordan will be doing his what's called your stuff you doing, Jordan?
Sorry, what?
The 4 hook.
Damashi.
Damashi, there we go. Okay, we'll see what we catch. Okay, we'll get back to you guys. Shoot.
Feels like it's like a fish, guys.
Tokinaga pole.
But it's not the kind. Read again.
Keep going.
Oh, it's. Oh my gosh. Looks like.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
It's gone.
She got a big one, but went off the hook. All right. Came off. Oh, the whole thing was snapped. All right. All right, Jordan, first catch of the day.
These guys don't like the wire.
I guess so, huh?
Yee, let's go.
All right.
Subscribe.
All right.
Can you see it?
What you got?
Oh.
Wow, yes.
A big one. All right. The small.
Ito, tidy.
I cannot. This thing is too hard.
Oh. Oh no, it's a palani.
Yeah.
Wow,
I need
Palani.
help.
Go help him, help him.
Watch out, pokey.
All right, Jordan, you caught a Palani.
Sorry guys, because I have
Good one, huh?
Alani Capitano, so my finger hurts. Yeah.
Nice.
You know what the funny thing is? These guys only like bread or limu, so I don't know why they bit shrimp. Now we know they eat shrimp too. Sorry. I scared of the spike on the tail, that's why.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Need to love.
Yeah.
Here, your little pole right there.
Yeah, do I'm from where?
Hey, wait, I think my hook. Okay. No, that's good. All right, good job, Jordan. Oh, you got another one.
I don't know, let's see. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, it came off.
Oh, can I have that plier?
Yeah.
Came off?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, bud. Good job. All right. What you got with your little dinky poke? Oh, wow. Nice job, Jordan.
You, good job. You're the cameraman and you're the director. You're the man.
No, you're the man.
No,
Catching all the fish.
Not the man. I am the man, not him.
Oh, okay, there you go. The man. All right. Oh, you caught something.
Oh, it's a this fish.
Oh, it's the Hawaiian steak fish. You gotta throw him back.
Oh, he's so pretty.
Nice.
But you're so beautiful. Oh, but you're so sharp.
So she going to throw him back.
Oh,
Tidy. All right, came off.
what is that?
Nice.
Oh, Hilo Boss. Hey.
Hold on, hold on. Look at that.
Oh,
Wow.
table boss. But his reel broke off. The thing got stuck or something. You need a new reel, eh?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay, you got plenty of reels. Good job, Jordan.
My first one.
All right. All Alright, Lofa caught something.
Wonder what it is. Let's see, big fish. Yee. Hey, give of us. What is it?
You're hearing the thing keep going, meaning you're not reeling it in, yeah? There you go. There you go.
Oh, I let him go.
Oh man, you just lost the biggest fish.
What happened?
But that's okay. It's too early. Alright. Oh wow. Nice. Good catch, good catch.
Tail in there.
Alright. Another wow, big one.
Mine.
Good catch.
You said
Nice.
pull out.
You see it?
Yeah. You guys pull out or top it? Oh, there it is. Stop it!
Toppy, nice. Alright, Jordan got another one. What you got? There, it's coming up. Oh wow. Nice one. Alright. Toppy, nice. Nice. Alright, Alpha got a wow. Good job, good job. Wow. Perfect. Nice. Oh, came off the whole thing?
Yeah, he took it.
Wow.
So, keep going, because
Nice. She caught one.
it's not the lick, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Alright, what you got?
I need a boat.
Yeah, let me see.
So I got something.
Oh, so out.
And Jordan.
Oh, both fine.
Alright.
Oh.
Nice, nice, nice.
Mine came up
Oh,
first.
yours is
No, no, no.
Look at the blood.
Double catch.
Double
How
cap.
come yours is bleeding?
Huh?
Got something. Keep going, keep going.
Right, what is that? Oh, probably peel.
Ah, let him go.
Oh
Because you pull too
man.
hard, you can't do that.
Sorry, I cannot strong to reel.
It's okay, you won't get another one.
The hook is gone. Not
Jordan.
It's stuck. Oh, this thing too, it's going on.
oh, it's a cloud.
Oh
It's
wow.
a cloud.
Copy, nice. Copy. Oh. All right. All right. Jordan got one with his broken pole. Oh, you got another one on your little one too.
No, it's the thing moving it.
Oh,
Stop it. Oh my gosh.
nice. Stop it.
Came off, baby.
Came off. Look for you got something right.
No, I don't.
Right. Just getting stuck on the reef. Toppy, nice.
Top it, top.
Nice catch.
With my hands? It's not even reeling.
All right.
You see
Yeah,
it?
one, two.
Oh, and
Is it coming up?
it's not even reeling.
Here. Hold my camera. Picture me.
Yee, Ta'ape.
Wow. Big one.
This?
Oh, I came off.
Oh. She's we just put them down once and then they already bit
That
it.
was probably the kind of people boss.
Or top it.
Look, it's probably I put them up like nothing.
That how you stop your camera?
Just press the red button one time.
Oh,
Toppy.
that's a big one.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a good size. Top it.
Nice size.
Looks so shiny.
Oh, there goes my.
Reel it up.
No, I broke the handle.
Bring it up.
We're working close to there.
Oh, the thing to the cave. Hold on. Oh, he's pulling it actually. Oh,
Pull it up.
I get that.
There you go. Came off.
Yeah.
Oh. Looks like this Tokinaga pole not really doing good.
No, hold on. Here, I got it. This thing came loose, so.
What happened?
Here's my nose right here.
Oh man.
What?
Good thing I had my sunglasses because the sunglasses fell and then it boom.
Something. Oh, nice, big one. Nice.
Wow, good size.
Good size.
Top it.
Toppy, nice.
Yeah.
Tagal.
No, I got it.
Right, the pole broke again. The Tokunaga pole. Oh, table bars. No wonder that thing won't break.
Good one.
Me? With the small pole?
That small pole?
No, so the thing came loose. Yeah, I gotta come back.
All right, Jordan. 2 table bars there. Nice. All right, came off, took the bait. Nice.
Oh, broke off.
It's not spinning, just pull it up.
No, it's not spinning. Look.
Yeah, pull it up.
Oh, I went to the rock already.
What? There you go.
Oh no, it came off already.
All right, came off. The pole broken, so we got 3 poles broken. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 poles broken. Only get 1 more left with Tavao using right now. That's
No.
the only workable pole.
I'm gonna use this one right now. I'm gonna just throw me.
And then you go and reel them in with your hand.
That's why I'm a real Hawaiian.
You heard that. Real Hawaiian.
I'm a bald Hawaiian. No more hair. You know why no more hair? Because I was supposed to be Maui, but I lost my hair.
All right. Okay, let's see what he gonna catch with that broken pole. Shoot. No?
Whoa.
Oh, you're still fighting.
It's gotta be the table boss.
You got the glove.
Oh, he went to the rock already.
Loose?
Yeah, I curled his mouth.
Okay. Oh, got another toppy. Nice.
He's the owner who's fishing out.
Yeah, because all our pole broken. Not broken, but the reel broken. The pole still good.
Oh yeah.
Right. Toppy, another one. Nice.
Size.
Oh wow, nice.
Size. So,
Something. Nice. Tabo got something too.
happy.
Toppy, nice.
Ample fishing.
Oh, where's that?
Okay, got stuck. It's pulling.
It's the rock.
No. See?
Hilo.
Oh, okay. Got stuck.
Happy.
Toppy, nice. All right, Jordan got something. Tavo got something. All right, Toao, nice.
2 hours.
Toao.
2 hours. That was nice. Happy.
Toppy.
Nice.
Wow, nice. Wow,
Maybe 2 hours.
nice.
Little cute one.
Little one. Caught another one. Wow.
Happy.
I mean, top it. Nice, a big one.
Oh yeah, it was a big one.
Toppy. Nice size. Perfect.
Good size.
Yep. Right, Jordan.
Shoot.
What?
He went to the rock.
Right, stay stuck in the rock. He's gotta use his hand because his reel still broken, eh? Alright. Alright. Tobacco one toe out.
Wow.
Nice. Alright, caught another one.
That's real soda.
Nice. That's a bigger toe out, eh?
Yeah, bigger size.
Nice.
Aloha.
Oh, one. Nice. Nice size.
Wait. The reason why I'm not fishing, I broke all my poles.
Yeah, you see that pole over there? Broken. No more the handle. All these two pole here, the little Togi Naga one, they still broken. This outer pole right here, this is still broken, and this one still broken. No more the handle over here. So only right now, when you get Tavo fishing with his pole, that's the only pole working. Doesn't matter what, cause it's a good pole, I guess. Yeah. So next time, what you gonna get for your reel?
I am going to get a reel, and it's very popular. It's called Shingawa, yeah. Not Shimono, Shingawa kind of reel, the best. Or I can get the D-Bolt one. Sounds good too. Then I was joking. I can probably get the Dawa, the one from Tokunaga, or I know Walmart is okay. Sometimes it's not okay, but I might try Walmart again because I got one. But yeah,
Oh, you almost caught one.
but yeah, Dawa or Shimono, I guess, but all depends.
So about the poles are good at Toginaga one. The poles are good, but the reel they stayed not that good. So you're gonna replace just the reel?
Yes, yeah, this thing. So you could order these parts, but you'd have to look at the brand of this and all that, the size and everything, and you could, but I wouldn't recommend it because I think inside here's already a bust up unless it's not. But if it's not, we could try. Go check eBay or Amazon.
Are you gonna replace the reel? Yeah, with
Yeah,
quality reel.
yeah, I'm gonna replace the reel, but I'm gonna order parts for this. So maybe I can sell them.
Okay, so you're gonna replace all the Toginaga reel with Daiwa or what you call that one? Shimono.
Shimono or there's one more. I can't remember that brand, but they get one more on the shelf over there. But yeah, and I remember the price for that one at Tokinaga is $25.
All right, he caught one.
Got one shot.
Nice. One, two. Wow.
12.
Nice. So can you show what brand that is that we got from Walmart?
No, this is from Jihara.
For real?
Remember, you got one for mom, and I got one for myself. It was on sale for $24.
Okay, just show them the brand, cause
So this one is Shakespeare Tiger. So
I'm talking about the real.
oh,
That way we don't go buy them at Walmart. Oh, just let the people know this brand right here.
so this one is Citadel. Citadel?
Right down the bottom.
Yeah, Citadel. Citadel, a potato. I don't know.
Okay, you see this brand right here? Yeah, don't buy that brand from Walmart. It's junk, cause the handle broke off when you try to pull like big fish in. It just breaks off. So yeah, just to let you guys know. All right.
Aloha.
Another to wow.
Another 12.
Toppy. Perfect. All right, bigger. Toppy. Nice.
How much did you eat one time?
False alarm. Came off. All right, Toppy.
Look.
Tabe. Let's fry these tapes, yeah.
Oh, good for fry, yeah. Nice. Tape. All right, you're getting a lot of tapes today. Okay, Jordan. So, how was the bubble fishing and the what you call that other one? Da
Mashi.
Mashi.
The damashi. Okay, so for the bubble, we tried it. There was no luck at all because maybe whipping and bubble is not our kind of thing. So we tried it. Nothing happened. The damashi, I didn't really like the method of it, like where you gotta just go like that, or whatever. So I added bait to it, and I caught one good size on Palani. But later on, you guys will see in a video. It's a good size on Palani. The thing is, for me, I caught those for a long time, and I only noticed that they like to eat bread and limu. But just today, that thing bit shrimp. So give me a comment if you guys ever caught planning with shrimp, because I never did. This is my first time, only bread and Nemo. But yeah, we did those two, and after that we've been fishing for like maybe 1 hour and we lost all the posts.
Except for one.
Except for one, the one from Walmart.
That one right there.
From Walmart. Nah, it's from Jihara. Yeah. Oh, and then my thing over here in Benham, look. See, you guys see on Benham. It's bent. Yeah. That was from the Polani. The Polani went yanko. Oh. Yeah, but don't forget to like, subscribe. Aloha.
Wow. Nice. Opa. Nice catch.
I was wondering when someone's gonna catch that.
Opa.
Good with soup, eh?
Oh, that? No, it's good for sushi.
All right.
Nah,
Sushi. All right, we stay fishing here, and we got this big, humongous hotel moving next to us. It's called Celebrity Edge.
Park.
It's a nice looking moving hotel. I guess the tourists looking around here in Big Island, and they're heading out to, I guess,
The next destination.
there you go, the next destination. But it's a nice moving hotel. Has how many stories? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stories. It's a nice boat. All right. Jordan got something.
No, tape.
Top it.
A big one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good catch.
Dankula.
All right, Jordan got one.
What's that?
Looks like the oven.
Yes, a big topping.
Why is there so much topping?
All right. Nice. All right, Jordan got something. Bring it up.
Oh, it's tall. Ow.
Big toe. Wow.
That was the last fish out.
You got him in the eye. How did
I
you
know.
do that, huh? You got him in the eyeball.
That's how you catch a fish. That's called one eye technique. I learned that from when I was little. I'll teach you guys later. Shoots.
All right, you heard that from Jordan. Okay, we power already.
I'm gonna do one more. I'm joking.
We already have plenty in the cooler. Right there, you can see them. So we get home, we'll show you guys. So yeah, we'll see you. Guess we'll see you back home. All right, shoot. Alrighty, we're back home. So here's the fish that we caught for today. Jordan.
What's up? So down right there is the Palani, and then you see a couple of these ones over here in the corner. That's the To'ao. These two is the Tiba Bass. That's the Opa'a rockfish, and then over here is the Ta'apis.
And more tapis and toa on
On the bottom, yeah, get plenty more, yeah. Get about 100 something in here. Nah, I'm joking.
All right. So that's the catch for today. Tomorrow, we're going to do the catch and cook. So we're going to try another style of cooking tomorrow, right? It's going to be a different way. We're going to cook the fish. We're going to pick out what fish we're going to cook out of this bunch. And then we're going to try either cook some breadfruit or taro with the coconut milk. So yeah, until tomorrow, we'll get back to you guys for that catch and cook. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it.
Like, subscribe, leave comment, and aloha.